A P2 heart sound is heard due to the closure of the pulmonary valve. A loud P2 is pathognomonic of pulmonary hypertension. Pulmonary hypertension is caused by a number of conditions, and any condition resulting in pulmonary hypertension can cause a loud P2. So a loud P2 can be in pulmonary hypertension. A pulmonary hypertension can also have a normal splitting of S2. P2 is soft. P2 is soft in tetralogy of Fallot, TOF. Tetralogy of Fallot, P2 is soft and delayed and is generally inaudible as pulmonary artery pressure is reduced and right ventricular outflow obstruction is there. So S2 is single, the audible second is A2. Coming next to Eisenmenger syndrome. In Eisenmenger syndrome is also the P2 is loud. Basically it is the sequelae of pulmonary hypertension where there is a reversal of shunt and the blood starts flowing from right to left instead of left to right. Pulmonary stenosis. In pulmonary stenosis, just like tetralogy of Fallot, there is stenosis in tetralogy of Fallot. So in pulmonary stenosis, it's as an isolated pathology also, P2 is delayed and soft. P2 is delayed and soft. In aortic stenosis, P2 is normal because the aorta is where the pathology is. A2 delayed and normal splitting and single paradoxical splitting. So these are all the pathologies as far as the P2 sound is concerned in the heart.